Hi guys, if you have a Samsung TV, then there are many chances that you have this problem. When you try to change a particular setting, it is grayed out and it cannot be selected. This is very common problem in Samsung TV. Many major settings are grayed out. You are watching that these all settings are grayed out. So how to fix this? In today's video I will show you how to fix the grayed out options in a Samsung TV. After watching this video, you will not have this problem anymore. First of all, put your TV in standby mode, then press the following key combination from the remote: mute, 1, 8, 2 and power key. The TV will power on and show a service menu on the screen. Guys, if this code doesn't work, then I will give my video link in the description that have 8 different codes to open the Samsung service menu. Now in the service menu, go in the option, then you have a factory reset, click OK here, select it. The TV will reboot, wait for some time. If it doesn't power on again, then power on. Now go in the settings. Here you can see all the settings options that were grayed out now are visible and can be selected, and you can do any setting of your choice. So hope this video helps. In case of any query, ask in comment section. Like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.